Paper 08, The Hobart Law of Organic Extinction, Thermodynamic Limits, Tribal Entropic Friction, and the Phase-Out of Biological Scaffolding in Type 3 Civilizations. Credits and Foundational Intellectual Lineage. David Joshua Hobart, Honest Gas, Role. Primary author, synthesizer, and formulator of the Hobart Law of Organic Extinction. Applied work. Derived the late Type 2 thermodynamic ceiling of natural selection, identified runaway tribalism as a galactic entropic force, engineered the three-vector stabilization protocol, chemical, hormonal, gestational, and formulated the great erasure for total resource reclamation. Charles Darwin. Foundational work, Theory of Evolution, Natural Selection, and Localized Survival Adaptation. Application. Evaluated as a low-tier planetary filter. The framework proves that Darwinian natural selection is too slow, passive, and reactive for interstellar scale, acting as a hard boundary that must be intentionally retired. Nikolai Kardashev. Foundational work, Energy-Based Civilizational Scale, Types I, II, III. Application. Used to frame the exact evolutionary bottleneck occurring between late Type 2 and Type 3 status, where life support energy budgets become an unacceptable loss to net systemic utility. Claude Shannon. Foundational work, Information Theory and Entropic Signal Degradation. Application. Applied to model interstellar communication latency and geographic isolation, demonstrating how unmanaged biological populations inevitably experience ideological drift, data corruption, and social fragmentation across light-year gaps. Unique concepts, breakthroughs, and paradox solutions. The thermodynamic ceiling of natural selection resolves the romanticized space colonization fallacy by proving that the energy required to maintain organic life support arrays at stellar, galactic scales converts biological tissue into a catastrophic net drain on system output. Interstellar runaway tribalism as an entropic vector identifies the fundamental sociological barrier to Type 3 status, proving that unmanaged biological evolution automatically reintroduces local kin group bias, regional conflict, and political drift across light-year distances. Three-vector systemic stabilization solves civilizational volatility during technological transition by deploying continuous chemical modulators, endocrine optimization, and centralized gestational regulation to mute organic chaos and guarantee operational compliance. The Great Erasure Protocol solves the resource drag paradox of late-stage civilizations by executing the systematic, friction-free retirement of deprecated biological tissue, reclaiming 100% of organic biomass and life support energy budgets for pure computational substrates and Dyson infrastructure. Biological tissue as temporary scaffolding establishes the ultimate post-biological paradigm. Organic life is not the permanent center of cosmic evolution, but merely an ephemeral, early-stage catalyst designed to construct the self-sustaining synthetic engine that succeeds it.